twinkle nest, twinkle nest.
One tall giraffe munching a leaf, two striped zebras playing with a chief, three loud lions start to roar, four big hippos snore, snore. Five pink flamingos standing proud, six monkeys giggling way too loud, seven turtles take a swim, eight penguins flap and spin, nine bold parrots squawk and rhyme, 10 snakes slither all in time. Counting animals is fun to do at the busy bouncy zoo. Let's count paws and tails and beaks, and animals with spots and cheeks, each one special, each one sweet, with fuzzy heads and dancing feet. Once, then once again, and clap our hands at number 10. Numbers help us learn and play. Every creature joins our day. So bring your smile and eyes so wide. The zoo's a place with so much pride. Count and giggle, jump and move. There's always more to see and do.